उड़ू ऊंचा।
Peacock, Panda, Parrots, Peach, Pineapple, Pear, Plants. Today we are going to learn the sound of the letter P. Say it with me. P, P, P. This is a beautiful forest. Look, there are so many plants here. I can also see few animals who are having a good time. This is a peacock, panda, a parrot. I can also see peach, pineapple, and a pear tree. All these animals must be having a great time eating those juicy fruits here. Forest is a place where there are many plants. These plants have roots, stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Animals living in the forest eat different parts of plants. Peacock, peacock, peacock eat plants, insects, and seeds. Peacocks can fly, but they spend most of the time on the ground. Peacocks have beautiful long feathers. Peacocks, peacocks. Panda. Look at this beautiful, cute panda. It has black and white coat on its body. It spends most of the time eating bamboo sticks and leaves from the forest. It lives in a forest where it can find lots and lots of bamboo plants. Panda, panda. Parrots. Parrots have curved beak, long legs, and clawed feet. They are very brightly colored and they are very clever birds. Parrots eat seeds, fruits, nuts, flowers, and insects. They can learn tricks and even copy your speech. Some can sing songs. Parrots, parrots. Peacock, panda, parrots. Peach, pineapple, pear, plants. Today we are going to learn the sound of the letter P. Say it with me. P, P, P.
Like, share and subscribe.